In this short tutorial, I will show you how to increase the volume on your Android phone without using the physical buttons. This can be particularly useful if your volume buttons are not functioning properly or if they are broken off of your device or damaged. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap Sounds and Vibration. After that, tap Volume. Now you have the ability to increase or decrease the volume of the ringtone, media, notifications, and system sounds. For example, let's say I want to increase the media volume. All I have to do is move this slider to the right. To decrease volume, move the slider to the left. This is exactly how you can increase or decrease the volume on your Android phone without using the physical buttons. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.